Hello everyone, we are all used to using the remote control. This is a very convenient thing. But, unfortunately, not all devices have a remote control function. Is there any way to solve this misunderstanding? Today I will show you how to use a small simple device to make a remote control that can control absolutely any devices. The principle of operation of this scheme is very simple. By pressing any button on the remote control, the photodetector receives a series of infrared pulses with a frequency of 38 kHz. As a result, packets of pulses also appear at its output. These pulses are inverted on the collector VT1, which eventually arrive at the clock input of the decimal counter. When the first pulse arrives, the output of Q0 becomes low and Q1 becomes high. This activates the relay and the electrical appliance connected to it. The LED connected to output Q1 also lights up, indicating that the device is switched on. When you press the remote control button again, the second pulse increases the counter by 1. This returns the output Q1 back to a low level, which causes the relay to turn off and the appliance to shut down. In this case, the output Q2 is transferred to a high state. Since the output Q2 is connected to the reset input, the second keystroke actually returns the CD4017 counter to its original state, which was when the power was applied. The basis of today's device will be a circle of copper wire, inside which I will try to arrange all the details. This device uses a CD4017 chip. If desired, it can be replaced with an analog. This is possibly the K561E8 chip. What type of photodetector will be used in this device does not matter significantly. For example, I used a photodetector, the marking of which I could not make out. The main thing is to determine the purpose of each output, so that the device then works properly. I decided to solder the jumper that goes from the capacitor C1 to the base of the transistor, because in the place where it was originally located, It seemed to me that it was superfluous. In this scheme, I will use the read relay RGK14. But, of course, it can be replaced with any other with a trip voltage of 5 volts. So, the scheme is assembled and it's time to check its operability. The power supply voltage of this device is 5 volts, and as a power source I will use a charger from a smartphone. The device works reliably and stably. Now I will connect and let's trip to it as a load. This device works perfectly within a radius of at least 10 meters from the remote control. In addition, you can use absolutely any remote control from any device to turn on and off this device. I picked up several different remotes and now I will test them all. If you replace this relay, which I used here, with a more powerful one, then with this device you can control almost any household appliances, from lamps to, for example, irons and fans. So it really turned out to be a very useful and necessary thing. This concludes this video. If you liked it, if you liked today's homemade, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon next to this button to immediately find out about the appearance of new videos and new homemade on my channel. I thank you for watching and bye. Remote control, this is a very useful thing. Or comfortable? It is both useful and convenient. It is used in this device. The chip. Oddly enough, type of photodetector in this device does not matter significantly. The main thing is that to have it,